Welcome back to another video. So I'm doing a polygel set today. I've already got some fake nails in my practice fingers. These are the tips that I'm using. Really long stiletto. I will chop them down to a coffin, but I still want them really long. They haven't got a well on them, these tips. They're really nice tips actually. They're from Makartt. Yeah, XXL stiletto they're called. So again, I'm using Makartt polygel. This is called Chrysanthemum, and it's from the House of Florists polygel kit. So I'm going to get all these tips glued on to the end of these fingers. Yeah, these tips, they're really curved, and what I love about them as well, even for a coffin, they're really long and slim and sleek. I really like them. So I'm going to get all them glued on, and then I pinch them in at the sides just to make sure them side wings are stuck down as well. And I'm going to snip just a tiny bit off the end of these because, yeah, I wanted this to be a long set. Right, that's them glued on, so I'm just going to use my file and tidy them up a bit, especially this pointer finger. It's kind of in between sizes, so I always have to file a little bit off the edge that hangs over, and then I'm going to file over where the tip's been glued on, just to blend it in with what would be the natural nail. And as I'm doing this, I'll scratch off all the shiny surface to those tips. Right, so I'm going in with base coat. I'm using Makartt base coat. I'm going to give all of the nails a base coat, and I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. I do always say it, if this was on your natural nails, you would need to use a dehydrator or a primer and a prep, whatever it is you use on your natural nails. You'd have to do that before you put this base coat on, but I'm skipping that because, yeah, it's fake nails. So I'm going to use the chrysanthemum, and every nail is going to be the same. I'm just going to build a full polygel nail. Nothing fancy with the polygel base, just a full polygel nail on every single nail. I think I'll just show you doing the first two, and I'll do the last two off camera because, yeah, they're all the same. So I always start by getting it tucked in, nice and neat, quite thin at the cuticle area. And just pat it and pull it down the nail. Pat it and pull it. This length nail on your own nails, you would need a nice thick apex, obviously to give them a bit of strength and structure. I normally don't really do much of an apex on tips because it is a waste, but yeah, you would definitely need a nice thickish apex with nails this long because they are super long. So I'll leave you to watch this and I'll be back in a sec. Right, that's them all done, so they're going to go in the lamp now for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to get them filed. There wasn't a lot of filing to do with this set, so I'm just using the hand file. I start at the cuticle area, make sure that's nice and smooth, and the sides, you'll notice I file up the sides and I just keep going up and over, just to make sure the sides are nice, and you don't want bulk at the sides should be nice and quite slim. It's hard to explain, but can you see? I just keep going up and over, just to make sure the sides are nice and slim and the same shape as the tip underneath. It shouldn't hang over the tip or anything. So yeah, I'll finish filing that and I'll do the rest off camera. Right, now that's them all filed, I'm just going to quickly go over them with a buffer because I want to matte top coat these nails, so I wanted them quite smooth. So yeah, I just went over them with a fine buffer as well, just to smooth them out a little bit more. Right, so on the ring finger, I want that to be completely black, so I'm using Madame Glam Perfect Black, and it is perfect black. Look at it, one thin coat. It's absolutely brilliant gel polish, it really is. I've got a 30% off code for Madame Glam as well, guys. It's always in my description box. And the rest of the nails are going to get a coat of Madame Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat. Both the colour and the matte cures in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this part because I'm just freehand painting. I'm going to do some lips with some fangs. I'm going to do some drips on the pointer finger. And I'm going to put a little frame around this middle nail and the pinky. So I shall leave you to watch this and I'll be back shortly. I'm so sorry with the drips. I did cut a couple of them out because I was just out of frame. I was so deep in concentration. It doesn't happen often, so I'm sorry about that. Right, so now I'm happy with that mouth and the drips. I'm going over them with a glossy top coat. And then that's going to get cured in the lamp. I do the same with the drips as well. Once I'm happy with them and they've been cured, I give them a glossy top coat as well. Right, so we're going to get these nails finished off now with some bling. So I'm using this rhinestone glue gel from Makartt. I did put a bit too much on actually. I had to scoop some off with my brush. So I'm just going to add some gems to these nails now. This glue gel, you have to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to stick a little bit of matte top coat around this nail and that'll be this set finished. Right guys, that is this set finished. This was another 4-hour set. Another 4-hour set, but how cool are they? I love them. I absolutely love them. I really do. Let me know what you think, guys. Are they your kind of Halloween nails? Would you wear them? I would, for sure. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. Hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.